Hey guys, this is Poet Spice and I am here to do the winner of my small little hidden giveaway I had when I did the unboxing and showing of the Winter Wishes collection by Crafter's Companion. I had 4 people who actually put their names in during the comments that you were supposed to. It was Gail Banks Creates, Miss Martini Girl 1, Sharing More, and Valencia Brown. So I'm going to go old school. Since I only have 4, I'm just going to go old school, crumble them up. You know, we did back in the day before we could find all the spinners and whatever. So I'm going old school. My computer's over here like rebooting and all that crap. So since there's only 4, we're just going to scrunch them up and put all 4 in there. So you see our 4 choices. And I had 2 of these dies in my package. So I decided I was going to give one of them away to whoever answered the question. And then, of course, subsequently was drawn. So let's go ahead and see who that winner would be. I'm going to draw the winner, and then I'm going to pick a second person to be the backup. So if I don't hear from that first person by Sunday, November, what is this Sunday? November 27th, is that Sunday? 2023? Then the second person will be. So, yes. So I'll leave my email below, and then please just email me with your mailing address. And by the time, all right, we've got 4 in there. We'll pick out one, not looking. The one we have is this one. So the winner of the little die will be Sharing More. So Sharing More is our winner. So if you can please email me with your mailing address by November 27th, 2023, which should be this Sunday, that would be lovely. If I don't get that from her, then our backup winner will be all right, which one is this? Valencia Brown. So, Sharing More is our winner. And if I don't hear from her by November 27th, then Valencia Brown will be our backup winner. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye.